Today I will teach you how Fiverr works, how to create gigs, how to get clients, how to send offer, how to deliver work, and when will you get payment. All steps one by one. Let's go. Step 1. Create your profile, where you have to fill correct information like skills, work experience, description, your education, your expertise, and username, profile picture, all information correctly. Step number 2. How to create gig. Creating a beautiful gig is the most important part on Fiverr. Based on your gig, you will get clients. So make proper, stylish and unique gig so that clients click on your gig and then start chatting with you. In chat itself, client explain all things. They can also provide sample of work, how much budget he has for this particular work. So as per the client advice, send offer to the client. Step number 3. How to send offer. Click on send offer, then write some words in description, then select delivery in 1 day or 2 day. As per work, select additional service that you can provide, then select revisions, 2 or 3 revisions, and finally select charges for this work. That may be $10, $15 or $20 as per work. Let's assume you selected $10. Step number 4. Client accept your offer and pay that $10 to Fiverr. Then you have to complete the work in the given time and deliver that work on Fiverr. Step number 5. To deliver work and when you get payments. From a manage order section, you can deliver your work. Client check your work. If your work is good, then he don't say anything. Client has 3 days to make any changes in the submitted work. After 3 days, Fiverr pay that $10 to the freelancer. But we can't immediately transfer Fiverr money to our bank account. Fiverr takes 15 days to clear the funds, and after 15 days we can easily transfer money to our bank account only if money is above $20. You can convince your client to rate your gig after the whole process. If you want to download Fiverr app, I have given link in the description. Check it out. If you understand and loved this video, then like this video and share this video with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye, take care.